Hey guys, he about to learn how to ride a hoverboard. This hoverboard, him. 4 years old. Alright.
What did you learn?
YouTube. I got my own YouTube channel.
I'm not saying who did that.
Don't be talking about no weird on my YouTube channel. Look at him, boy. 4 years old. You like 4 years old, right? Say yeah.
Yeah.
So they won't think I'm lying. This will be an epic fail if you fail. Hey, Monty. Hey, Monty. Monty, if you shoot a little wallaby in your head, look, man. Ma. Trey, do you know some stuff that got a Lamborghini hoverboard and it got a key to it? You could turn it on with a key. Ooh. And it said Lamborghini on it. Cause I didn't know it was such thing as a Lamborghini hoverboard. He only know how to go in circles. One of my front lights is only working. So if I get pulled over by the police, it's gonna be my car light. It's only one of my light working. And money here you making that.
Bounty picks up the misses quicker and is 2 times more absorbent than the leading ordinary grain. Bounty, the quicker picker-up.
It's your boy SAVO on the YouTube channel again. Alright, so you want me to end the video? You want me to end the video? Okay. Say bye.